Hey everybody, this is Tasha with Prep For It, and I have my fireplace going for a little challenge I'm giving myself to make some char cloth. So what I did was I took one of my tins and I punched just a little hole in the top, and I cut up some of my husband's old jeans, and I only have about maybe 6 or 7 pieces here. You don't want to stack it too full, because you want there to be some air circulating in there. But anyway, I'm gonna pop this in there, and when the smoke quits coming out of my tin, then I'll know it's ready. It usually takes about 15 minutes. So here I go. All right, we'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, time to remove it. Decided to fall, didn't it? There we go. All right. It is good and hot, so I'm going to let it sit and cool for a bit. And I'm shutting down the fire. I'll catch you back here in a little bit. Alrighty, I'm back. So here's my char cloth tin, and it's completely cooled. Only took about 20-30 minutes. And if you look in here, that is my char cloth. It's kind of spongy feeling. It's pretty cool. All right, let's see how well it takes a spark. All right, zoom in. Scoot this back just a little. Zoom in, scoot back. All right, let's see if I can do this, y'all. Well, bumping things. This is not very stable. If I had something solid here, I'm just gonna sit it down on the ground here, so I don't have to bump it. All right, ready? There was a spark, but it didn't quite take. There it goes. Do you see that? You see? Ooh, where is it? There we go. See how it almost spark? It's almost like a sparkler. And there we go. There's char cloth. Super quick, easy. All right, well, it worked. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pop that in the fire. All right, thank you all for watching. Bye.